What is mindfulness? And what can mindfulness meditation offer us? To explore this, we might first look at the nature of this mind. Science has shown us that we may have anywhere between 50 and 70,000 thoughts occurring in an average mind every day. That is 35 to 45 thoughts a minute. Our mind is certainly a busy place. Is it any wonder, with this amount of inner traffic, that we lose touch with ourselves? Interestingly, up to 95% of these thoughts are not original. This means they are thoughts we've had before. New, fresh, creative thoughts seem rare. Our mind is much like a computer, with every experience recorded and stored under different icons. These icons are automatically reopened by certain repetitive triggering thoughts, people, or situations. This raises some questions. What are the quality of these repetitive thoughts? Are these reoccurring themes that repeat or loop day after day defining our experience of life? Are these repetitive thoughts positive and supportive of us feeling good about ourselves? Or are they sad, critical, or damaging to the quality of our present life? Many times, common and repetitive thought patterns stem from painful memories, and they may result in self-sabotaging patterns and beliefs. Beliefs of not being good enough, not smart enough, not strong enough, wealthy enough, pretty enough, until we just simply never feel enough. An inner cycle of struggle may result. Even when our present life may look fine from the outside, it is our inner environment that determines our experience. It seems our mind may be our friend or our foe. It is easy to see how mental health issues have become a very real problem in our modern society. With technological changes at an all-time high, the Western world has become rich and abundant. It moves fast. We have more energy-saving devices at our fingertips than ever before. Yet we complain about not having enough time. And we rush about trying to find this elusive happiness. Many people feel overwhelmingly sad, lost, alone. People are craving happiness. Yet happiness is a commodity that cannot be bought or sold. We have all experienced fleeting moments of happiness or connectedness, perhaps while watching an awe-inspiring sunset or listening to an emotive piece of music. When spellbound in the moment of absolute engagement, happiness simply arises, a spontaneous gift of the present moment, when a dancer becomes the dance, when a musician becomes one with his instrument. It seems when fully present in the moment, a sense of aliveness or oneness with the universe arises naturally, effortlessly. A flower does not know it is beautiful. It simply opens its bud fully to the sun, expressing its perfect beauty for all to see. sharing its fragrance freely, and then melting gracefully back into the earth. It does not judge itself as good or bad, beautiful or not. It simply is. In the same way, a tree grows, reaching for the light of the sun, creating a haven for all manner of creatures in its branches. Does a tree ever say, "No, you cannot take my fruits, or rest in my branches"? Instead, it gives selflessly, swaying in the wind and surrendering to the elements around it. Birds sing in its branches, encouraging the tree to share its beauty. When it is time to pass, the great tree simply surrenders itself and falls back to the earth. In their quiet wisdom, ancient seers and yogis realized the impermanence of all things, the cycle of life. They also saw that the craving and the aversion of the human mind created judgment, disappointment, pain, and much mental instability. Much freedom and peace is born of the knowledge that this too shall pass.